Simbut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Sngi Bhalang Dhar ulo ong ba ke Jingakren kabami ha kapor jong ka KSU bike rally kalong ka basmosi bat amla ban Shah bat ulakin tu ya baro ban pinne ya ke Jingsong ulo ong ba ke sorkar kala plilan ban yakren bat ke KSU da ka baong ke Jingkhang jong ke sorkar ke Plie na ka Bynta ban yakren halor ki jingdawa jong ke KSU udhar ulo ong ba ke sorkar kala deb ban yi ki jingdawa bat kalong ka balapin khre ban yakren ulapin tip ba ke sorkar kan sa shingkya ya kani ka kam andalawan phai menteri rang ba konrad ki sangma bat alam don jingpen slam ban khot yakren ula ongru ba ki sorkar Meghalaya bat Assam kidang yakren ha ki kerdan bapher ban pinbe ya ki jing'e kiblala ban kta ki artli ki Jylla udhar ulapin rabru ba ke sorkar kan eksemen ru ya ki jingkular jong ke KSU ban pinlong ya ki jingelang ka besok.
It's very unfortunate, which is cannot be tolerated by the government. And especially from my side, we request peace always. I request the KSU member and all other organizations and include all the people of the state, let us maintain peace always. Yes, if there is any issue flags, so the door is open for the government to talk.
KSU has
the demands, we know what it is, so let them come forward, we'll discuss, no issue on that. And CM, even Mawkyrwat yesterday helped Mr. after the cabinet, he be very clear. They are most welcome to come forward. Let's see, maybe in a day or two we will see.
So are you for?
Let's see, CM is on stations, let him come. So I think all these problems we used to face before, so always we are dealing the right manner. Always.
Why the government have delay to call the KSU to talk about this?
Let us see. The question of delay does not arise, the question is too fast does not arise, so a time will come.
Sir,
we know very well. Whatever rally happen, whatever provision happen, always we expect peaceful rally, and especially for this even KSU, so it seems they only give undertaking was to see it will be a peace rally. So yes, very unfortunate. So that's how the government will see on this how to tackle this matter.
because they said that the agitation
Ask me,
in future.
I'm not the right person to ask that they'll continue or not. Student, what does Newton law motion said? There is reaction for every action. Therefore, I need to maintain peace. I request all of you to maintain peace. Home Minister is the right person to inform, not me.
Yes,
Government is already on the top board of government, so not from my level. It's from CM and Home level. They are discussed with other counterparts. All of this.
So as Assam Chief Minister, our CM is talking to Assam Chief Minister.
I'm not very sure, but I think they must have talked each other.
Are you also taking it up with the Chief Minister or the
Chief Minister and Home Minister, we are contacted. They are on the job to get this thing normalized. We are still discussing with other counterparts to bring back peace.
Thank you.
Is kata baik semakat senangnya sangka.
Sngi mereka dari MSIS. Mau?
Gak jingïada bahasa yang sorkar, hantam ya ikut ya sutom.
Ini kena hapsa dari sama. Adhar MHIS KP.
Untuk mulai karakter kata.
Jadi kon pi hap ada medika hostel, dah hap lek pi ka registration. Dalam dem pi dengan smart card, dah sampah cok.
Oh dokter dan lah ya.
Yang ni kon pi hap lek operation ni yo.แต่ความกล้ามตัวครับเป็นยันนี่พี่อยากไปสร้างตะก้าฮับไลโอเปอเรชั่นนี้แต่ว่าพี่เอ็มจะสกัดพี่และนี่ก็สมาร์ทการ์ดแต่ก็ทำไปเอาเรื่องพี่
Ri nak pagi mon le yo poisa sumar ni kon. Abenda ni ksir yo sumar. Kebelai si bona karo Jylla atau persangkafu ya.
Ini kan memang dia smart card.
Oh, kan teh. Kembali si bot, mau?